It's shaping up to be a pretty busy day today. It's my first day off in about 2 weeks. Got kind of slammed by work and by life, so I slept in and then took stock of everything I have going on here in the refrigerator, and I'm busy making some food for myself and others. Let's check it out. My friend who gets food from the food bank had 18 pounds of apples, which she could not store or process, so I've got 6 pounds of it here in the crock pot. I'm cooking it down for apple pie. What's great about having cooking your own food and fresh produce is you can use the leftovers for your compost pile. I'm about to go out and throw this into one of my containers so I can have new soil for next year's garden. The bread machine is busy making some bread machine pizza dough. I roasted some veggies last night, and I'm going to make roasted veggie pizza tonight, and the rest of the dough is going in the freezer for another round, another meal, another day. My friend the gardener who grows veggies in old refrigerators gave me some pumpkins. Here's one of them. Some zucchini. There's more in the refrigerator, and another tiny pumpkin over there. I think it has to turn yellow. Excuse the propane burner. We had a 2-day power outage a few days ago, and until I'm completely certain that we're done with these wildfire power outages, I'm keeping it out. Another friend has a walnut tree and gave me a bunch of walnuts. Have a couple tomatoes. Another friend of mine gave me some ginger here, which is starting to sprout, and I'm going to be taking that into a sort of a protected location to plant this winter. They do not like freezes, so I'm going to find a sheltered place to put them, maybe on the porch to overwinter. We'll see. My friend who gets her food from the food bank a couple times a month got so many onions and no way to process them or store them, so she gave them to me and I've hung them up. She also gave me carrots and celery, so that's been pretty awesome. So I have a food processing rule. If somebody has given me something, some raw materials like fruits, vegetables, whatever, they're the first ones who get something back. So the friend of mine who gave me the zucchini and the pumpkins, he's already gotten some pumpkin muffins I made, and when he comes by next week to do some handyman work here, I'm going to roast him some vegetables with the onions that I have and the carrots and the zucchini and some of the herbs I've gotten from the garden here. My friend who gave me the apples, the onions, carrots, celery that she could not store or process from the food bank, she's gotten really nice chicken noodle soup with those veggies, plus some chicken and apple pie and some dried apples from the apples I processed already. Cooking and food processing takes time, energy, attention, materials, some equipment, but it is certainly worth it when you can bless yourself and others with really good meals and treats. It's a great, it's maybe not the greatest time saver, but it's definitely a money saver, and it's definitely, if you can share it with others, it's probably the most, one of the most blessed things you can do for others. Anyway, hope your October's going well, and you're being blessed and blessing others also. Thank you so much for watching.